I recently spent a weekend in Osaka, and when I arrived on Friday night after a long 6-hour bus trip, I was pretty exhausted, you can imagine. But still, the area I was staying at looked really lively and exciting to shoot at, so I took my 85mm and went out to take a few clicks, and this is what I got. probably see me sometimes doing some weird thing with my button and my shutter, but I recently switched the AF to the AF button and deactivate the possibility to autofocus with the shutter, and this helps a lot when composing and actually lock in my autofocus, recomposing and take my shots.
Fujifilm ね。
XS10
XX。
でも富士フィルムはすごいね。
This is better.
まあこれは重たいですね。
What? GoPro.
GoPro。ありがとうございます。
Take it easy.
You too. よ
Thank you.
ろしくお願いします。気をつけて。If you have been following me for a long time, you already know that I really love the 85mm focal length, and it's commonly used as a portrait kind of lens. But when you go on the streets and the compression you can get and some kind of candid portraits you can capture with that lens makes it really awesome, I think. If you don't have any 85mm and you are looking for trying by yourself, don't go buy a new lens and spend all your money. Maybe if you have a standard zoom lens, try just going out and have a full photo session using the long end. So in that case would be 70mm, and try to see if you enjoy it. And if you do, then you can consider maybe borrowing 85mm or getting yourself one and try to shoot even more with that. The area I shoot at during that night is really close to the main railway station of Osaka. It's close to this area called Umeda. It is actually really lively, but without any tourists, so it's mostly Japanese people working probably in this area, wanting to go out on a Friday night after a long week of work, I guess. I really enjoyed the character you can find on the streets at the time, and most people were actually very friendly. Some of them poses in front of the camera, so here's a few shots of Osaka people to conclude this video. And yeah, let's catch up in the next one. Bye!